The Bank of Canada is raising its key interest rate by 0.25 to 0.5% to battle high inflation and rising inflation expectations. Inflation is running at a 30-year high, and the central bank notes it's concerned Canadians may be starting to believe that they will stay higher for longer. It has been more than 3 years since Canada's central bank raised interest rates. So what does that mean exactly for Canadians? Well, BCN's Naveen Day finds out.
Recent data from the Angus Reid Institute found that over half of Canadians reported being unable to keep up with the cost of living. And following the Bank of Canada's announcement that it will raise its policy rate to 0.5%, that means less money is going towards the principal on Canadians' mortgages and other debts. Financial educator with the Credit Counseling Society, Mark Kalinowski, says the hike has been a long time coming.
Interest rates have been historically low. People have been paying rates below 2% on mortgages for more than a year now. I think everyone has seen this coming, especially at the end of the pandemic. We've heard about supply shortages, the cost of living going up. It was only a question of time till they started raising interest rates to try and control that inflation. And here it is. And while people have had time to sort of let this sink in and take action towards it, they've been slow to.
And for those looking to buy or sell a home, Courtney Atkinson with the Atkinson team at eXp Realty says the interest rate hike is not likely to cool off the southern Alberta market.
The key takeaway that we have to remember is that in southern Alberta, this has been a fairly insulated market from a lot of the crazy things that have been happening across Canada and the US. The interest rate changes are going to be rolled out across the entire country, and they're meant to cool off big markets like Toronto, Vancouver, to a lesser extent Calgary, Montreal. For places like us, it's not going to really slow down our market dramatically. It's just going to kind of help us continue to stretch it out and to help it be a really good place to buy and sell.
Adding fuel to the case for higher interest, the Bank of Canada said in a statement, the unprovoked invasion of Ukraine by Russia is a major new source of uncertainty. The next scheduled date for announcing the overnight rate target is April 13th. For Bridge City News, I'm Naveen Day.